imagine paying $600,000 just for a few minutes in space, and still over 700 people are on the wait list. Welcome to the next era of luxury travel. This is space tourism, and Virgin Galactic is leading the way in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting developments in space and tech. Virgin Galactic's bold new chapter in commercial space tourism. What's changing in 2025? What's the Delta-class spaceship? And how close are we to seeing regular people floating in zero gravity? Let's break it all down. What is Virgin Galactic? Founded by billionaire Richard Branson, Virgin Galactic is a spaceflight company that aims to make space accessible, not to astronauts, but to civilians. After years of testing, setbacks, and a few successful flights with Unity, the company is now preparing for something bigger. The Delta-class spacecraft, coming in 2025. What's changing in 2025? In mid-2024, Virgin Galactic retired its VSS Unity spacecraft. Why? Because they're moving to higher capacity, more frequent flights. The Delta-class vehicle will carry 6 passengers instead of 4, with faster turnaround times, safer designs, and more automation. This is the company's step toward scaling space tourism like an airline. The $600,000 question. Let's talk money. Each ticket to space costs around $600,000. Sounds expensive? Absolutely. But here's the shocker. Over 700 people have already signed up and paid deposits. These include celebrities, tech millionaires, doctors, and entrepreneurs. For many, the experience of looking at Earth from space is priceless. What will the experience be like? Passengers will take off from New Mexico, travel to the edge of space at over 2,600 miles per hour, experience a few minutes of weightlessness, and see the Earth's curvature. It's a 90-minute experience, including climb, float, and return. You get trained before the flight, suited up, and treated like a true astronaut. Strategic partnerships and fashion in space? Here's a surprise. Virgin Galactic is also partnering with Italy's Spacewear to design astronaut suits and training wear. Why? To combine functionality with fashion, and possibly to launch a new clothing line based on futuristic space-grade materials. Competition with Blue Origin and SpaceX. Virgin Galactic's biggest competition comes from Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin and Elon Musk's SpaceX. But unlike Musk's Mars missions or Bezos' rocket capsules, Branson's focus is luxury, experience, and frequency, not distance. Virgin is targeting thousands of space tourists every year by 2026. Is this the beginning of mass space travel? Right now, space tourism is a luxury. But remember when air travel was only for the rich? Virgin Galactic believes this is just the beginning. As technology improves, prices may fall. And one day, a trip to space might cost the same as a trip to Europe. Final thoughts. 2025 is the year Virgin Galactic transitions from dream to industry. With the Delta class on the horizon and interest growing fast, space tourism is no longer science fiction. It's business, it's experience, and it's the future. So what do you think? Would you spend $600,000 to float above Earth for a few minutes? Or will you wait until prices drop? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and